Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie, and if you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio. Anything that I think is cute is going on this channel. If you like that kind of thing, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, leave a comment. Anything helps the algorithm and my videos perform better. Today I'm talking about Pusheen Box. This is a seasonal subscription service. I paid for it with my own money for the past 7 years maybe. But this one is interestingly themed. It says milk and it's baby pink and it's quite a heavy box. So I'm super excited. We get these sent out every season like I said. So that's 4 boxes in 1 year. It's a little bit pricey, so I always like to think, would I pay for this if I didn't already have subscription box? Like automatically renewed, because it always hits me every year and it hurts every time. But let's see, let's check it out. I have no idea what's in here. All right, that is what it's looking like. I forgot to mention that Pusheen Box also has a cat subscription box with similar themed items, except obviously they're catered towards pet cats. I did have that for a couple months and then I ended up canceling it because they were items that my cats just don't really use, such as apparel. So I wanted to make sure that this one was the right one, and it is the human box. So let's take a quick look at the items that are going to be included in this box. Here's the artwork. This is by Fly. Let's get started. The first item here is a strawberry plush bag. So it's shaped like a strawberry and it has a little charm, Pusheen milk. Cute. It smells funny. Yeah, so it's just a pouch to hold items in. It's really soft. I don't know how functional it's really going to be, but I guess in a backpack or in a tote bag it wouldn't be bad. It says here, this plush strawberry pouch bag can hold your knickknacks. Yeah, like just little random miscellaneous items. I could definitely see this being cute to have. Next thing we have are some Pusheen magnets. I actually think this is really cute. So we have strawberry milk Pusheen, we have bubble tea, and we have apple juice Pusheen. These are really cute and they're like those super thin magnets. So I really like this one. It says here, a set of magnets to put on your fridge, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Actually, I might save these for my locker at work, but I do want to test out the strength of the magnet, so we are going to place them downstairs too. All right, I'm really excited about this item. We have 2 paperback notebooks. I am a sucker for notebooks, for journals, anything stationery. Even though I find that I don't typically use it up, this is so cute. So the first one is like chocolate milk themed. And then the second one is a strawberry milk. These look like perfect journals just to jot down things, and I like the size of them. They're not too big. Let's see what it says here. A couple of cute notebooks to write in. Yes, I agree. This is nice. I'm honestly impressed with this box so far. This is another kind of practical item that also works as decor. This is a pen holder, so it features strawberry milk Pusheen, and you can slip some pens on the top. I want to see how big it actually is. Oh, actually it's a pretty good size. Oh, this is adorable. All right, let me take it out of the plastic. So there's the carton of strawberry milk and there's the hole, so you can fit a pretty good amount of pens. Let me go get some. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, these pens happen to be quite short and these happen to be the marker, but functional, practical, something that I can actually get use out of, and it has little legs, so it is a little bit off of your desk. I like this. Now I see why the box is a little bit bigger than normal. We also have apparel. This is a lightweight jacket to wear when grabbing boba tea with friends. I don't think we've ever gotten jackets aside from like the occasional rain poncho. So this is quite nice. I don't love the color, but that just comes down to personal preference because you can't please everyone. White is a color that just doesn't really look good on me, but the quality of this is actually nice. It has a bunch of buttons, and then there's little bubble tea Pusheen, looking adorable. There is nothing in the back. I feel like that would have been nice to have a little pop of detail here, but either way, it's a small. I hope it fits me. I probably should have gone with a medium, but I like it. I just wish it was a little bit more decorated in the back, or like on the sleeve, some kind of detailing. All right, so I did actually get spoiled on this a couple of weeks ago. Sometimes Pusheen Box will send out their sneak peeks quite early before the box is even released, I guess to build up some anticipation. But this is a hand wash only. It's a boba Pusheen tumbler. This is a Pusheen Box exclusive apparently. I'm just reading off the box, but it's actually very beautiful. I do love glassware as long as, you know, it comes in one piece, but I think glassware just looks nicer sometimes, cleans well. The only thing I don't like is that I'm a clumsy person, so the likelihood of me dropping it is quite high, but we'll see. I don't even drink bubble tea, but I definitely appreciate the aesthetic of it and all the options and flavor that they have. Last item, every single Pusheen box comes with some kind of vinyl figure, kind of like Funko Pop. This one is probably the biggest I've ever seen. I mean, it's been many years of these like figures, but this is a chunky one. It almost looks like a candle holder or just like an actual soup container or something, but it is again Boba Pusheen. Looking absolutely adorable. This is a really nice figure. I think that's one of my favorite parts when it comes to these subscription boxes is the vinyl figure, because usually they're well thought out, they're really nice, and typically they come in one piece. Sometimes I have had broken ones where I have to like hot glue something. I just don't want to go through the trouble of talking to Culture Fly. I just feel like sometimes the communication is a little bit iffy, at least with my past. But I really do love these boxes. Like, I am addicted to them. I've been doing them for years. I think they had a slight price increase. They sent out an email. I'm not sure how that affects annual subscribers. That is something to keep in mind. I feel like everything has increased in price. We are in a recession. This is terrible. But let me know if you think this would be worth it. Would you subscribe to Pusheen Box, or have you in the past? I know sometimes people do some, then cancel it, then do it again in a couple of years. Let me know how you feel about Pusheen Box. I really love Pusheen, and I don't know if I'm going to be canceling it. Usually I say I might, and then I forget to cancel and I get charged it anyway. But we'll see how I feel as the year continues. We're halfway through, so stay tuned for that. And if you've missed any of my previous videos, I will have them linked down below and in the cards, as well as my Pusheen playlist, because I have quite a few. I did miss one in 2021. I did film it, not 2021, 2022. I did film it, I just never uploaded it, so I'm probably going to do that as a bonus video sometime soon within the next couple months, just so I don't break my record for having filmed a video for each one of these.